Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Check power lights and cable seating because a loose cable is the most common cause. Once done, swap the cable with a known good lead to isolate the wire. Next, inspect the GPU port and monitor input for bent pins or debris, and use the monitor's input selector to force the right port. If the monitor stays blank, reboot while you hold the monitor on screen menu. This forces a hardware handshake. Make sure you're on the right input before moving on. Now you test components one by one to pinpoint the culprit. Start by connecting each monitor alone to the GPU port it normally uses. If one works alone, the panel is fine. Then swap ports and try another source, like a laptop, to determine whether the GPU or cable type is the issue. Make sure any adapter is active when converting DisplayPort to HDMI at high resolutions, and match resolution and refresh rate limits. Mismatches often lead to no signal. Finish by updating GPU drivers and monitor firmware. You need current software to support modern displays. Once updated, reboot and set your multi-display mode. Extend or duplicate, and reduce resolution or refresh rate if you still get no signal. If problems persist, power down and reseat the GPU and cables, or test the monitors on your motherboard's integrated graphics to isolate the card. One key tip: if you see intermittent signal, swap to a different cable type. Some cables fail under higher bandwidth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.